Tired of your favorite sneakers or trusty boots coming apart when you least expect it? I've spent the last month putting over a dozen popular adhesives to the test, from sole separations to upper tiers, to find the absolute best glue for shoes on the market. Our comprehensive evaluation, which included stress tests, water resistance, and flexibility checks, has revealed which glue for shoes truly deliver a lasting bond. Each one we're covering today has unique strengths, so make sure you watch through to see which is perfect for your specific repair. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. SOF Sole Shoe Goo Clear Glue. This one's a well-known name for shoe fixes. It's really designed to help you extend the life of your footwear. If you've got worn soles or damaged heels, this glue aims for a superior bond. It works effectively on leather, rubber, vinyl, and even canvas, so it's quite versatile for different shoe types. The glue seals pretty much on contact. This is handy when you're holding pieces together. For a full, durable cure, give it at least 24 hours. Sometimes, with non-porous materials, it might take a bit longer. Patience really pays off here for the strongest hold. It forms a protective coating over repaired areas. This helps you patch holes and prevents further wear. Your shoes get a bit more resilient. A big plus is the waterproof protection it offers. Once cured, it creates a solid seal against water. This is great for work boots or any shoes in wet conditions, and it dries clear. This means your repairs are less noticeable. Your shoes can keep looking decent. Some people even use it to add a bit of extra traction. It's a handy tube for various fixes. Pros: effectively reattaches completely separated soles. Amazing. Creates a strong, durable, and flexible waterproof bond. Wow. Versatile for patching holes and reinforcing weak areas. Perfect. Cons: it does have a strong solvent odor. Good ventilation is essential during use. The real advantage here is giving your favorite shoes a second chance. Think about those comfortable sneakers you thought were done for. This glue empowers you to make those repairs yourself. If shoe mending is on your list, you can buy directly from Amazon using the link of the description. Number 4. Next up, the Yalcandia Heavy Duty Shoe Glue. This one aims for a super strength bond, really tackling those tough shoe repair jobs. It's specifically for shoe materials like rubber, leather, and more. The formula is professional grade, meaning it's built for a lasting hold. It's designed to resist daily wear and tear, so your repairs should hold up. This helps prevent frustrating cracking or peeling later on. A big plus is its quick drying performance. You get fast repairs with minimal downtime for your shoes. The soft sole, if you recall, needed a full day to properly cure. This one sets much faster, which is a real time saver. It comes with precision applicator tips. These are, really helpful for getting into tight spots. You can place the glue accurately, avoiding messy overflows. This leads to cleaner, more professional-looking results on your favorite footwear. It has a good consistency too. It's not too runny, unlike some adhesives that make application tricky. The glue is also waterproof once it's fully set. Your repaired shoes can handle wet conditions, and it's formulated to be non-toxic and environmentally friendly. That's a good contrast to the strong solvent odor of the previous glue. Some folks even find it useful for bonding 3D prints, so it's quite versatile beyond just shoes. Pros: creates a very strong, durable bond that withstands flexing, dries quickly for rapid shoe fixes, getting you back on your feet sooner. Applicator tips allow for neat, precise gluing, even on detailed areas. Cons: it's a cyanoacrylate, so you really must be careful during application. It can bond to skin very quickly. The main advantage here is its powerful combination of strength and speed. It's a reliable fix. It gets your favorite shoes wearable again, fast, without a long wait. Imagine a sole flapping loose right before an important event. This glue offers a quick, dependable solution to save the day. Need a speedy, strong repair for your footwear? You can buy directly from Amazon using the link of the description. Number 3. Angelus Clear Shoe Cement. This is a general-purpose adhesive for many shoe repair tasks. It comes in a 4-ounce can, which is a decent amount. You also get an applicator brush right in the can. This makes applying it fairly neat and precise. The cement aims to create a really strong bond. It's designed for various materials you find in shoes. It's also pretty fast drying. You won't be waiting a full day like with some other options. This means you can get your shoes back in service sooner. People have used it for all sorts of things, from reattaching soles to fixing rubber garden shoes. It seems quite versatile. However, following the instructions carefully is key. This ensures you get that strong, lasting hold. Pros: delivers a strong bond for various shoe materials, includes a brush for controlled, precise application, provides a good amount of product for multiple repairs. Cons: it dries to a silver color, not truly clear. This might be visible on some repairs. The main benefit here is its reliable bonding strength for general shoe mending. Think about those everyday shoes starting to come apart at the sole. This cement offers a solid fix. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 2. The Mosconley Shoe Glue. This one is all about providing a strong, lasting fix for your shoes. It's really designed to tackle those common, frustrating issues, like soles coming loose or edges starting to peel. The glue forms a genuinely powerful bond. It works well on leather, rubber, and various viscose fabrics you find in footwear. This can significantly extend the life of shoes you thought were done for. It sets up pretty fast initially. You're looking at about 10 to 45 seconds for it to grab. That's a definite plus compared to some adhesives that take much longer just to get an initial hold. Of course, for that full, super strong cure, the kind that really lasts, you'll want to give it the full 24 hours. Patience here pays off. Once it's fully set, the bond is properly waterproof. This means your repaired shoes can definitely handle puddles or a rainy day without the repair failing. The versatility is a strong point. You can confidently use it on your sneakers, work boots, comfortable sandals, even high heels. And it's not just for shoes. It can repair leather goods like wallets or bags too. The pack includes a few droppers. These are, quite helpful for getting the glue right into tight spots or along edges precisely. This really helps keep the repair neat and avoids messy excess. The 30-gram tube is a good practical size. It's lightweight, making it easy to keep in a drawer or even pack for emergencies. Pros creates a very strong, durable bond on various shoe materials. Initial quick drying helps hold pieces together rapidly during repair. Waterproof formula protects your repaired footwear from moisture effectively. Cons: it does need a full 24-hour to completely cure and reach its maximum bond strength. The main benefit here is its reliable waterproof adhesion that works across many different kinds of shoes and materials. Think about your favorite pair of everyday sneakers, the ones that are perfectly broken in, starting to separate at the sole. This glue offers a solid, lasting solution to bring them back to life. You can find all the product details through the link in the description. Number 1. Gorilla Super Glue Clear. This one comes in a handy 4-tube pack. It's a well-known name for a reason. It's designed for all-purpose bonding. You can use it on glass, wood, metal, and ceramic. It also works on rubber, leather, and paper, so it's quite versatile for many household and even shoe fixes. The bond it creates is also impact resistant. This means it can handle some shocks and movement. Your repairs should hold up well. A key feature is that it dries crystal clear. This is great for projects where looks matter. Your glue line will be virtually invisible. That's a step up from some cements that might dry with a noticeable color. It sets incredibly fast. We're talking 10 to 45 seconds. This rapid set time means no long clamping. It's much quicker than some glues needing a full day for a complete cure. Each of the 4 tubes has an anti-clog cap. This helps prevent the glue from drying out between uses, ensuring you get more use out of each tube. Pros: bonds diverse materials with a strong, clear finish. Sets very quickly, minimizing project or repair downtime. Anti-clog cap extends the glue's usability. Amazing. Cons: it's a cyanoacrylate. Be cautious with skin. It may not be ideal for very flexible shoe areas or large gaps, and like many super glues, ensure good ventilation. The main advantage here is its reliable, fast-acting clear bond for a huge range of quick repairs. Imagine a decorative piece coming off your favorite shoe, or a strap needing a quick, strong reattachment. This glue handles those small, precise repairs effectively. If you need a versatile super glue for those everyday fixes, you can find all the product details through the link in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.